Hello everyone, welcome in Cool IT Help. Guys, in this video tutorial we will see headless browser automation with the help of PhantomJS API. Yes, we are going to use PhantomJS to do browserless automation. So if you need to do headless browser automation, so you guys can use PhantomJS, and here we don't need to open the browser and everything will perform in the background. We will use Java code with Eclipse. So guys, what we will learn today, so in this video tutorial we will see the PhantomJS setup with the Eclipse and how we will proceed with the code, and we will do a working example here, and we will take a screenshot of a web page without opening the Chrome browser. Yes, we are not going to open the Chrome browser, and we will take a screenshot with the help of this PhantomJS API. This is the special feature of the PhantomJS, and we will do some data scraping. We will extract the link of a web page and we will print them on a Java console. So guys, we will see all these stuff one by one. So guys, let's get started. And here is the step 1. So in this step 1, you guys have to download the PhantomJS exe. So guys, just copy this link from the description and open your browser and paste in the address bar and press enter. And guys, you will see the PhantomJS official download page. Here we have this zip file under this Windows section. We are doing the automation for the Windows environment, so we have to download this zip file. So just click once on it and it will start download. Okay, it can take time. It is a 17.4 MB in size, and depends on the network speed, and it can take 1 or 2 minutes on your machine. And here it is downloaded, and I will put this thing on a separate folder, so you guys can do the same thing. Put these downloaded zip file in a separate folder. So I have created a separate folder on the desktop, and here's my zip file. Now I'm going to extract it and we will see what is inside it. Okay, so it is extracted and the folder is created. Now I will move inside this folder. Here is one folder bin, and now you can see we have phantomjs.exe file at this place inside this bin folder. So guys, we will use the path up to bin folder in our Java program. Okay guys, now moving on the second step. So in the second step guys, we required some Java files from the Apache Maven website, because we have to do some programming with the Java code, so some dependencies are required. So we have to download all these jar files from the Maven websites or other websites. Okay, so we will download one by one. This is very easy. I have given the list in the description, so you can get the list from there and download all these jar files. And open the browser and go here and click enter, and you will see the Maven repository link. Just simply go to the Maven repository and you will find all these jar files. So I am downloading here one by one. So this is my jar file. Also I will put this jar file into a separate folder. So I'm putting all these required jar one by one, and here we have to download the second jar file, which is Selenium server standalone jar file. So we are doing the browserless automation with the help of PhantomJS driver, PhantomJS API, and the Selenium API as well. So we have to download this standalone. Okay, so standalone means it has all the dependencies required to do some automation task. So go to the browser and put this text in the address bar, click enter, and you will see the first link. So just visit the Selenium website link, and here you will see this section, Selenium standalone server, and here is the download version 3.1415.59. Just click on it and the file will start downloading. So file is not too much big, so it is downloaded immediately, and I will pick this file from this place and I will put in my previous folder. So here's my folder. Here I am collecting all the jar that is required to run the program. And now I'm going to download the third one. So we require jsoup of a .jar file because we have to parse the HTML data that we're going to extract. So I'm going to download it now. So go back here in the browser, put it here, press enter, and again the Maven repository is open the link of the Maven repository, and here's the jar link. Click on it, and okay, it is downloaded. Now I will pick this file again and will put in my folder. So we have downloaded 3 files, 2 more remaining. We require this json.jar file because 1 or 2 classes are required from this, so we have to download this one as well. Okay, so we're getting the link of the Maven, so I will open the Maven repository link because this is the trusted source to download the jar files. Okay, it is downloaded. And the last file is remaining, commons io 2.4.jar file. So I will download this file also because we are going to use the file util class from this file, so we need to download it. Also it is available on the Maven repository, so open the Maven repository link and click here on the jar files. It is downloaded. Okay, I'm putting this file again into my folder. So I have collected all these jar files, so we have completed our step 2. Okay guys, now let me open the this notes, and here in the step 3 guys, we have to open the Eclipse and we will create a Java project, and we will import all these jar files in the Java project build path, and we will see the coding section. There I will explain all the coding stuff, and I will show you how you can proceed to perform the browserless automation. Okay guys, now we will look inside the implementation. We will see the coding part. So here this is the Eclipse IDE, and I am using Eclipse Oxygen. Okay, and here's the project that I have created. This is a simple Java project, and guys, we have to import all the jar files that we have downloaded. So do the right click on the project, go the properties, and inside the properties window, go on the right hand side and click on this button add external jars, and we have to select all the jars that we have downloaded and placed inside the folder, inside the separate folder that we have created on the desktop. Okay, now I'm click on this open button, and you can see all the required jars are added in the libraries on the class path. And now click on the apply and close. And guys, I have already prepared the example. I will explain you all the steps, then I will execute this program, and then you can correlate the code with the action that is happening behind the scene. So guys, this is the simple Java project, and here we have a simple class PhantomJS automation that I have created here. And what is the first line? So in this code we are doing 2 activities. In the first activity guys, we will take the screenshot without opening the Chrome browser. So the activity 1 is take a screenshot without open Chrome browser. Okay, and in the activity 2 we will visit to a particular web page. From that page we will scrap some information, that we will extract some information, like we will gather the all the links on the page. Okay guys, now going back to the activity 1. So in the first activity from line number 26, here we have to create the object of desired capabilities class. So guys, this is used to initiate or initialize the PhantomJS.exe, because we are going to perform the PhantomJS exe. Okay, so we have to initialize and we have to set the environment and we have to set some properties here with the PhantomJS exe. So this is the code that is doing the same. So we have to create the desired capability object, okay, and in the capability we have to set the capability of the taking the screenshot, because we are initializing this capability for of PhantomJS exe. So here I have called the method set capability, and I have given this string, and we have passed true. That means we have enabled this feature now. Okay guys, now in the next line we have set the capability, one more capability. This is the capability where we have to give the path of the exe, the PhantomJS exe path that we have downloaded. So this is the way you can specify PhantomJS driver service dot, this is the constant, PhantomJS executable path property. We are setting this property, and the value of this property is PhantomJS exe. So guys, in the second step we have to specify the path of the PhantomJS exe. Okay guys, let me show you. So this is the place where we have downloaded, okay, and we have extracted the zip folder. Okay, now we can see inside the bin we have this phantomjs.exe file. So we are using the path here, okay, to set this property. Okay guys, now moving to the next step. In the next step we have to simply create the object of the PhantomJS driver class that we have created here, you can see. Okay, and now we are initializing the PhantomJS driver class with the capabilities. So we have passed the capabilities parameter. Okay, once we have done this, now we are ready. Now we are ready to visit the link. Okay, so once you get the object of the driver, we have to simply use the method .get, and we have to pass this string. So here we are passing the string. That means we are going to capture the screenshot of this web page. Okay, whatever the web page will appear, so the screenshot will be captured. Okay, and in the next step we are giving a pause, because if your net connection is slow, so the page will be loaded slowly. That's why I have given the thread.sleep statement here, and we have passed 20,000 milliseconds. So page loading will be done perfectly, then the screenshot capture action will execute. So we have given the thread.sleep at this place for the perfect loading of the page. Okay, this is simple out statement. In the next line we have simply created the file object, okay, and this is the driver object that the PhantomJS driver object, and we are calling the method get screenshot as. Okay, so get screenshot as, and we are passing here like we are capturing the screenshot as a file. That means we are going to save as an output file of JPG, PNG. Okay, and we have typecasted it to the takes screenshots. Then we have able to invoke this method. Okay, so we have typecast the driver object into the takes screenshot, and then we were able to call this get screenshot as method. So once you get this file object, it's pretty simple. You can do file output. Okay, and with the help of file utils class you can copy this file to the particular file format, like we can save this as a PNG or JPG in a new place. So the same thing I am doing here in this copy file method. So this is the source file object that is coming from line number 42, and this is a new file that we are creating here at a particular path in a particular folder, and we have given the name screenshot.png. So the captured screenshot is taken and saved temporarily on a temp folder somewhere. So we are copying that file from the temp location to a particular location, okay, of our choice. So the same thing is happening here at line number 46. Okay guys, and this is simple statement to represent that everything is done, because we are doing a everything is in a background, so we need to send some proper message on the console so we can understand the task is completed successfully. Okay guys, and now the activity 2. Now we will discuss about the activity 2. So in the activity 2, what we are doing, we are visiting a simple page. Let me show you this page. This is the web link. This is guys our website, and here we have several links. So we will scrap all these information. We will fetch the link text. Okay, we will fetch the hyperlinks behind this. So I will show you how we are performing this with. And guys, this is the code. So here we have the driver object that we have obtained in the previous lines. So we can use the same object to perform the second activity, and with the help of get method we simply need to pass this web URL. Okay, so we have to fetch some information from that page. Okay, so we will do driver.get, and then here I am using the JSoup to parse the information. So with the help of jsoup.parse method, and here I have parsed the information fetched by the driver from the page. So it is obtained, and this is holded by the driver. So driver.get page source, so whatever the HTML received from that web page is stored inside the driver, and I'm using the get page source method to get all those HTML. Okay, and now I'm passing here in the parse method of the JSoup class. So it is parsing this HTML, and it's preparing some particular format, and it is assigning to the document class object. So with the help of this doc class we can read the elements step by step with the help of some predefined methods. That's why we have obtained the doc object here. So in the next line we can read the all href links on the page with the help of this method select doc.select, and here we have passed like this string a, and with this bracket href, that means we are selecting we are extracting all the href elements from the source file. Okay, and all these are collected inside the links object. So this is kind of list elements. So this is the class, this is similar to the list. So we have multiple elements inside it, and we can traverse over it with the help of a for loop. So in the next line we have iterate over the elements, whatever the list we have prepared. So this is the list of elements type, you can understand like this, and with the help of the for loop we are traversing each element object, and we are printing the text el.text. So in this way we can extract the information, or we can extract the link that are behind the link text. So here it will print the link text only. So I will run this program and I will show you these two activities done or not. So everything is fine, and I'm going to take a clean build of this project one more time before running this example. And guys, here we go. Do right click, run as Java application, and now you can see on the console till now everything is fine, and it is initializing the host driver, which is PhantomJS. There is no error message till now, everything is going fine, and we are waiting for the execution of the steps. So we are at line number 37. We are waiting for the proper page load, and you can see the message. A screenshot is captured and placed to the temporary location and placed on the desired location and copied to the desired location. And guys, we have executed this example, and we will see the screenshot is captured or not, and it is placed on particular position or not. I will show you. So I'm going inside the folder where we have this is screenshot captured. You can see this is the screenshot.png that has been taken, and the size is 27 KB. And now I will open this and we will see is it working perfectly or not. Let me open it. Yes guys, you can see it is successfully captured by the PhantomJS in the background. This is working perfectly. In the next step, we can see all the link text that were available on the page is printed on the console. You can see. Let me show you the web page first. You can see this is my web page. From this page we have extracted the information, and let me show you the console. You can see JavaFX overview. We have extracted this link text, setting up the environment for JavaFX project. This is the second link text, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and so on. So in this way we extracted, and we have more links on this page, so all those also extracted and printed on the console. So guys, this is very useful API to data scrap, or you can perform headless browser automation with the help of PhantomJS. So I hope you found this video useful and this concept is clear to you. So guys, please like this video and share with your friends so they can take the advantage of PhantomJS for the web automation. And guys, I have a request. Please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so you will get the latest video updates on time. And guys, for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.